What's up, everybody? This is Brother Black Spider here, and we are looking at the Azzaro wireless earbuds. We're gonna take a good look at it right around, and we're going to review these earbuds as well. And these come when you buy this, so that's very nice. We're gonna do a review on that at a later date. Then now let's get to the review and unboxing. Alright, here it is unboxed. What you see is the actual case that it's in. I'm going to get to that. Here's the charger. Here's the extra earplugs here. And we have the manual right here. Now let's get to what we all been waiting for. And this is how you open it, the front part. Yeah, here we go. So I love the magnets in this. Here they are. Place them right inside here. And pull them out. They're very strong. You have to shake them. And what I love about these headphones, since I used them, I charged them up, took about a good hour, and what I love about them is that all you have to do is just touch it. You don't have to mash it, just brush it. Here's the left one, here's the right one. And again, these magnets are very strong, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Now the thing is, I don't like about these that they're pretty small for my ear. Now, it could just be my ear. When you probably get these, they'll probably fit yours perfect. But for me, earbuds are too small. And here's the case itself. It comes with that charger right there. You just plug that in, that light glows. And it glows for the entirety of the time until it's time to change. And I found that connecting it to the Bluetooth was fairly easy. It's under the Azzaro name, so it is not hard to find. But that is it. That is all. That is it for this unboxing of the Azzaro Perfumes wireless earbuds. I'm Brother Black Spider, and I'm out. Peace.